So umuulan pa rin ngayon. So I don't know kung masisira tong GoPro namin. For this quick stop sa atong video, we're going to have fresh buko. Enjoy na ito nga moment. Asa nung sa ate. Ato rin nag-igbas niya sa luwi. Kila na yan alay?
Parihara, 3.5.
Ang daming sabaw. Oh, grabe. Pwede pa buak? Bayuhan na ni mo no? Expert. Pumuk pa kayo na. So, kutkuro ni siya, then hapon siya ba di ay?
Ito yung kutsara, may plastic
Oh, para safe. Hygienic.
hygienic siya. Magandang ano yan. Magandang
Practice. Lakbot, past 5 o'clock in the afternoon, pero we're eating buko. Salt. Hello mga kagalaan, hello mga ka-wonders. It's another day and another vlog. Although isang vlogan lang to ng isang araw. So ibang episode lang. So we're currently in Mual Bual. And this is Panagsama Beach. Marami ditong mga inns, mga hostels, mga hotels, mga guest houses. Sobrang daming bars and restaurants, mga cafes. So ngayon, daytime ito. This is how it looks so far sa daytime, pero pag nighttime mas vibrant tong lugar na to dahil sa mga lights. Ang pinaka-interesting dito, especially those who want unwind from the city life, direction natin ngayon papunta to ng dagat. What's up mga ka-wonders? Paingon ta og Kawasan Falls. So we came from Walbual. So after Kawasan Falls. So they have somehow changed the place kasi dati itong place na to napakakitid lang ng daan. And they have developed it, I think, because there was a flood before. So I guess they have done due diligence sa pag-ayos nito. Kasi ang daan nito, ito lang before. Ito lang. So, and you could have it mas malaki pa. We'll have to go through those mountain ranges in between. Pangit na lang tignan kasi meron ng dike. But the dike is important kasi pag bumulusok yung tubig, especially this time, rainy season, nasisira at nag-i-erode tong lupa dito. But I guess somewhere there, makikita pa rin natin yung river system. Kasi sa totoo lang, lumaki siya ng husto. Hindi siya ganito kalaki before. Siguro mga twice lang ng lapad nitong area na to. So malakas ang agos ngayon dahil it's raining. Buhara? Kawasan ba?
Tagay mo, sir. Assist, picture, dili na mo. Kailangan. Right? Dili na, sir.
Absolutely.
Dahon.
Pili ba ito?
200 each. Andiyan lang ng Janet.
So we're here at the briefing station. Sila ang magbe-briefing. So they have changed a lot of things diri sa Badyan, especially sa Kawasan Falls kasi every visitor who comes here, you need to brief. Kahit na ano, no? Kahit maligo lang, no?
For Kawasan ko kasi yung briefing.
For?
For Kawasan.
It's about the Kawasan. Okay.
Ayaw kayo pa nung
So mga classmates sa briefing.
We have a short reminders before going to Kawasan Falls. You can only visit at the first level of the falls, not the second and the third because it's part of the canyon area.
Oh.
And if you want to go to swim, we have a free life jackets. It's already at the falls and it's mandatory. You can stay for 3 hours, maximum time at the waterfalls.
We don't have any toilets up there. Our toilet is only at the registrations area. But you can inquire to the store selling buko juice. They have private toilet.
Okay.
And our public advisory, no smoking, no vandalism, no littering, no diving.
Sad naman. Second, third, bawal na din.
For canyon area.
Wala yung for swimming ragita. Ay,
Pero namin mabindan og
Ting.
utang ma'am.
sa kilid-kilid.
Kilid lang.
Kilid.
Wala na dahil dito mo.
Side, may maulan, basa, no?
Thank you. So, let's go to the water. So, don't go chasing waterfalls, Takaron. Yeah. umuulan pa rin ngayon, so I don't know kung masisira tong GoPro namin. Especially yung camera, yung mic. But we're enjoying here in Kawasan Falls. And unfortunately, we can only enjoy here sa first level. Enjoy. So, that was our Kawasan adventure. Nakakatawa dahil ang daming taong pumunta.
Ang lakas ng ulan.
Ang lakas ng ulan. Ang daming taong nag-canyoneering. After their canyoneering, yun yung last stop nila. Yun yung first level. So, yan. Nabutan kami ng ulan doon. We weren't able to take lots of videos. Kasi hindi naka-waterproof case yung GoPro natin. However, nakakuha naman somehow. Kahit konti. So that's it for today's vlogs at Kawasan Adventure. See you sa next natin na adventure dito sa Cebu.